Hello parlors, welcome back to another video. So today I got myself something new and something that has been missing from my apartment for a few months now. So in the video you can see the big box down there. Yeah, so I finally got my washing machine after hand washing for a while. You know, I'm too lazy to walk to the laundromat. So instead I opted to unwash my clothes until I could afford my new baby again. So yeah, I finally got my new washing machine and I will be fitting it up. I did the last one myself, did the assembly, so I'm gonna do this one again and yeah, do my laundry tonight. So I'm happy about that. And something else that is missing will be coming tomorrow as well, but I'll just update that video, yeah, tomorrow, and a video with me assembling this as well. Yeah, so please continue watching the rest of the video to see what I got or what was missing from my apartment for the past few months, you know. But yeah. Alright, so inside the washing machine you got the drainage hose and you have the water hose and the connection. Alright, so this is a MAXZEN JW70WP01. Alright, washing machine, 70 kg. So this is good for persons who are also like have a small family or they live with their partner. But yeah, I am my own partner in crime. So yeah, this is the new washing machine, and you know the drainage hole is to this side, and you know these are handles you can use to lift the washing machine. This was very cost effective, less than 30,000 yen. So my previous washing machine was this brand as well. It was very good with dry spin, everything. So I'll put a link of the description in this from Amazon. So I bought it from Amazon. So yeah, and I have my drainage hose right there. Yeah, so I'll be dealing with that. Okay, so first we have a washing machine stand. You can use it as a refrigerator stand and other stuff you can use it for it. And this is the drainage hole in the apartment as well. So we have the washing machine stand, which I assembled earlier as well. So it's to absorb some of the vibration and the noise as well. Alright, so the washing machine will be going on it after I assemble it. And how to connect the drainage hose is also came with an instruction on the side of the washing machine. So I'm going to be doing that now, and then connecting the water hose as well. So with this type, all you have to do is basically push down and push it on. And clip. So basically that's it. Then you connect this part to the nozzle on the washing machine. But when I put it closer to it, then I'll connect it. So for right now, I'll just leave it hanging, okay? So let's connect the drainage hose. It also came with this one, but I actually don't like this one because eventually, well, with the last time it almost flooded the apartment. So I like the one that is actually connected now. So the one that actually comes with the washing machine, I don't like it. So I prefer this one where you don't have to screw anything. So this one is a lot better. And I had bought some extra washers the last time because using this one gave me a lot of trouble the last time, so I'm gonna be sticking with this one. All right, so okay, on the hose you have a 1 and a 2, all right, and then this is like the hose band, which you will need to clip into this final groove right here after you have inserted it on this pipe right here. So basically this plastic rim right here, you want that and the number 1 to line up. So the tip of the triangle right here, you need everything to line up by the time you are finished. So you can just push it on. And from a closer look, you can see that the tip of the triangle for number 1 is in line with the plastic right here, and then basically you put the nozzle, you put the band right in this groove, right here. Well, that's a lie. Right in this groove. You're supposed to put the band to secure the hose. Alright, so basically that's it, and then we insert the other end. We insert this end into that hole, and it also has a clip here to help it keep in place, in position. So you know, you squeeze down, push in, and then it will flick out back, so it helps to keep it in position when you put it down into the drain hole. So that's next, and basically that's it. And to turn on the washing machine or connect the other part to the top right there, yeah, and then that's it. Yeah, so if you try to pull the hose, and trust me, I'm pulling this, you can see that it is properly secured and not easily removed, so even the machine is moving when I pull it. Okay, so it's that simple. I'm running my one-man operation team tonight, so basically I'm doing my one-man operation team, so just bear with me. I also needed was to adjust these legs to help keep the stand firm in position as well. Yeah, so I secured them all and everything is connected except for this. This is like a last thing. Yeah, so the pipe is connected, and this is the water heater, by the way, for the apartment. yeah, so let's get it started. I already put the soap in and stuff, so I'm gonna put my clothes in and get washing. So see you guys later. Oh yeah, the water. So I had to turn up the pressure some more, so I'm gonna put my clothes in and do my laundry. So I'll show you what else I bought tomorrow when it comes. Yes, so thank you for watching the parl, and if you haven't done so as yet, please remember to leave a comment or a like, because this will help with the YouTube algorithm for the YouTube channel to grow, and so I can get some feedback and know that you guys enjoy watching these videos that I am uploading. So yeah, tune in to see what else I bought and how everything is going so far. So thank you for watching the parl, and see you next time.